Would you like to earn some more money in your cleaning business? Remember to watch this video all the way through to learn the 3 ways that you can earn more money in your business immediately. Remember to watch last week's video where we discussed 3 ways how you can deal with customers that says you're too expensive. If you don't know me by now, I'm Ilse Whiteman, the cleaning coach, and I've built a successful cleaning business for 12 years, and now I help other cleaning business owners do the same. So let's get stuck in so you can earn more immediately. So the most important thing you need to remember about your clients is that your current clients you have at the moment, even if you only have one, is 80% more likely to buy from you over and over again. They already know, like, and trust you. They already use your services, so you don't actually have to take them through the know, like, and trust sequence where you have to build authority. They know you, they know your work, they like you, they trust you, they're loyal to you. So that will bring me to the first way you can increase your income immediately is by having an upsell list. A very thorough upsell list, which will also allow you to do less favors and actually get paid for all of those hours you do as favors because you're too afraid to say no, because you're too afraid they won't like you. If you actually say, yes, sure, I can do that, but it's going to cost you this much. They expect you to say that. However, a lot of small cleaning company owners struggles with saying, no, here's a charge if you want us to do this, because you're so afraid that your customers won't like you or they might let you go. But in reality, there's no other businesses out there that do anything for free, apart from cleaning business owners. So it's your time to earn some more immediately with an upsell list that you can provide your customers on an ongoing basis all the time. Remind them. They don't think of you 24/7 ever. Like, you're not in front of their mind. You have to keep reminding them. Oh, your oven looks dirty. Let me do that. Oh, remember we do end of tenancy cleaning. Remember we do this. Remember we can do your windows. Remember we can do the spring cleans. Everything you can offer to make your customer's life easy. And like I said already, they're 80% more likely to spend money with you than new customers. So take advantage of the opportunity you have to earn more. So the second way is by doing promotions, holiday promotions, special occasion promotions, where you can say, refer us, but you have to remind them on the monthly basis. So what you could use is refer us to your friend. You can get a free oven clean and your friend can get a free oven clean. But you have to remind them all the time because they will forget. So also for holiday promotions, you can offer cleaning vouchers. Try not to make cleaning vouchers too much for people to actually spend £250 on a friend. But you could offer and say the best ever Christmas present or Easter present or birthday present you can buy for your friend is a 3-hour clean. Some people do a 2-hour clean, and as you all will know, in 2 hours there's not a lot of cleaning you can do. Not enough to impress the customer. But you could offer lower end vouchers and higher end vouchers. Because your current customers already know, like, and trust you, they will refer their friends if their friends need it. But you have to give them a hand. You have to remind them and say, get your friends, recommend us, recommend us, recommend us, refer us. All the time you have to be on top of it and remind them you're the company that needs to be referred. So the third way is having a pricing structure. So what this means is the customer will know exactly what you will clean in the time you're at their property. No more, no less. And the good thing about that is no more favors. If you haven't got a pricing structure, you're probably at the moment doing loads of free favors for customers because they ask you, while you're here, can you quickly, and then you're too afraid to say no. And then you'll say, yeah, it might only be 5 minutes. But the problem with that is if you spend 5 minutes on every house you do, that's a lot of time that you're wasting, and that's a lot of money that you're wasting because you're not earning money for those jobs. Have a thorough upsell list all the time so you can say to your customers, yeah, sure, I can do that for you. Have a look at my upsell list, all the prices is on there, and we can book it in for you next week. Therefore, you'll get paid for all that favors you do, and you'll have set prices for everything, so there's no guesstimating what you will earn. And the fourth way is definitely to increase your prices. So many small cleaning business owners are so afraid to actually charge what they are worth. You have to remember where you stand brand-wise. You have to have a brand. You have the Henry brand, in the middle Sharky brand, and then you got the Dyson brand. You have to decide what brand you actually will be. And then you have to charge according to your brand, because Dyson vacuum cleaners are the most expensive vacuum cleaners out there. However, they know that there are loads and loads and loads of customers that will buy the Dyson brand at the higher price. They spend millions of pounds finding these customers. They've done their market research. They know that there are people out there that will buy the Dyson, a lot more expensive brand. So therefore, if you give a cheap quote, or you feel you need to lower your prices or actually add a discount to your prices, what you're saying is you're devaluing your service. And then you put yourself down at the Henry bracket, because people won't value your service because you're the same as other cleaning companies. It's the same cost. You're actually in more competition. You've got more competitors when you charge lower if you don't know your worth. And if you feel you're not worth that money, the customer will know about it. So be very confident with raising your prices. Do it the correct way so you don't lose income while raising your prices. But definitely it's time to raise your prices, especially if you had a customer for more than a year and you haven't had a pay rise yet. It's time to up your prices. And that said, I would love to invite you to my free masterclass, how to raise your prices without losing any income, but earn more immediately. I'll add the link down below so you can sign up to the masterclass, get immediate access, and start earning some more and knowing that you are definitely worth it. So next week, we will be discussing how to create a payment structure for your business so that you can earn more immediately, have more time, and the freedom that you deserve. Comment Cleaning Boss down below if you agree that it's time to earn more money. If you've liked this video and you would like to see more videos like this, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, press that bell for notifications so you can get notifications when next week's video is coming out. I can't wait. And if you haven't already, I've got a free Facebook group which is called the Cleaning Business Community, where small cleaning business owners come together. Over 500 of us in there. If you'd like to spend more time with me and cleaning business owners just like you going through this process, helping each other, making it easier, making it more simpler, but most importantly, start seeing success, because things just have to change. Let that be today. Come and join us in the group and start being successful. I'll see you next week.